Hey guys, this is Alysia from the Cecil County Public Library. I work at the Elkton Central branch as the teen services person there. Today I'm going to show you a simple and easy tutorial for how to create scrunchies from home using a t-shirt. Alright, so here's what you're going to need for this project. You're going to need an old t-shirt, scissors, something to measure with, a piece of elastic about 12 inches long, a safety pin, some straight pins, and thread. And here's what your project will look like at the end. Right, first things first, you're going to need to thread your sewing machine. So you're going to follow the steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Number 5, you're going to latch that behind that piece of metal there, and then you're going to thread your needle from the front. Okay, so next you're going to place your bobbin in, and we're going to thread our bobbin now. So you're going to turn the wheel towards you so your needle goes down, and you're gonna see it grab that piece of string and move across, and then you'll see your bobbin thread come through. And then you can just pull that through. And just close that up and put that piece back on. Alright, so now we're going to measure your t-shirt fabric. You're going to want it to be about 22 to 23 inches long. And 4 inches across. And you can just use your scissors to mark where you want to cut. Now you're just going to cut in a straight line all the way down. Then you're going to fold your fabric in half, and you're going to pin along that opening in a straight line. Alright, so next you're going to sew in a completely straight line. Make sure you put your foot down on your sewing machine, and then you're going to just sew completely straight over those pins. Don't hit the pins themselves. Make sure you're sewing over the part where the fabric overlaps the pins. Alright, so next you're going to use your safety pin to help you turn that tube inside out. So you're just going to attach it to one end and turn the whole thing inside out. Then you're going to use that same safety pin to help you put your elastic through the tube. So you're just going to pull it all the way through. Making sure not to pull it completely through that you lose the other end inside the tube. Next, you're gonna tie your elastic into a knot. Double knot it so it's nice and secure. and you can just trim off that excess elastic. And then you're just going to move that knot over to one side. Okay, so you're going to want to just place one side of the tube inside of the other, and then you're going to sew that opening together. And there you go, there's your finished scrunchie. Bye guys, thank you for watching. For more DIY tutorials like this, check out the other videos on our website, and make sure you check out Creative Bug as well. They have a lot of great DIY tutorials on there, and they're totally free with your library card. Bye, thank you.